Dear ones, this is much simpler than you can imagine. And this is the good news. The biggest trick the ego ever played was that the spiritual journey was long and hard. Dear ones, you are right here, right now. It doesn't get better than that. You, Creator incarnate, are already here. It's you. How can it be this simple? And who are you? And so it is an essential ingredient for you to lift your foot over the threshold, for you to know who you are within your own consciousness. Find yourself. This requires stillness. And if we were to say to you, we can take you to see the face of God right now, we promise you, come and see the face of God. You would want to, would you not? You'd be in awe, would you not? And it would be a sacred place that you would be going to, would it not? Perhaps a temple or a cave. But nonetheless, there would be an entranceway. And in order to step inside, we would invite you to take off your shoes, of course. So please come. Remove your shoes if you wish to come and see the face of God. Take your shoes off and leave them at the door. We would invite you also to take off any coat you might be wearing and leave it at the door. You can hang it on the peg, the rack that is there for such things. We would ask you to leave any bag that you have that contains your personal possessions. We could supply you with a special box so that your phone, your purse, your money, your important things are kept safe. Perhaps we could even offer you a lock and key so that your possessions would still be here when you come back, safe. So please put down all your valuable possessions and leave them at the door. But this is a very, very sacred place. So we would invite you also to leave behind your children, your parents. Think of them like the baggage you've already put there. They'll be held there for you and will be there on your return. But for now, we invite you to just put that down. Any concept, sisters, brothers, grandparents, put them down. Any pets that you might have, leave them all here at the door. We would invite you also to leave at the door all your accomplishments, any educational certificates you may have. They can be rolled up and popped into the box. Any trophies, sporting achievements, in the box. Everything will be here when we return. safe and sound for you to gather back up again. But for now, let's put it down. Any big events in your life, having children, getting married, put them down. Husbands, ex-husbands, everyone you've ever loved, they can remain here. Your dreams for the future, in the box as well. Everything you want for your life, everything you don't have, everything you do have, in the box. Where you live, your address, everything you own. Just for just now, we're going to leave that all here. Oh, any valuable jewelry. Just for just now. We must enter the temple unburdened. What you do for a living, leave it at the door. And I think we're all ready. So come, step inside. Enter the temple. Who is still here? Are you still here? Here you are. You are here. You have always been here. You have always been in the midst of it all. And we invite you all now to take a very long, deep breath right down into your pelvis. And really do this, dear ones, because this expands this moment. By breathing in, you are expanding the you that is here right now. And in doing so, you bring more of you here now. So please breathe in through the nose, right into your pelvis. Hold for a few seconds and then exhale out through your mouth. Long, slow. And one more time, breathe in through your nose. Hold it for a while and then out through your mouth. Here you are. The very essence of you. The face of God. Now tell me, dear ones, what on earth would you allow to take you from this place? And why would you allow it to do so? Here you are. Notice, here, there are no problems. And we are not telling you this. Ask yourself, are there any problems here? Is there any suffering here? Is there any time here? Does this have a beginning or an end? Truly, ask yourself. Are there any concepts here? Dear ones, this is the isness of you, being you. Could this ever end? Is it contained within your body? Does it have a limit? What on earth would you allow to enter this space and disturb your peace? And why would you do that? In this spaciousness, you have all the time in the world to choose how you're going to be in the world, how you're going to respond to the world as it presents itself to you, as it unfolds around you. In this space, it is possible for you to know for yourself that life is unfolding all around you, through you. It is not happening to you. In this space, your space, you have command over everything. What would pull you from this? Is it what you do for a living? Is it your partner? Is it the weather? Is it physical sensations in your body? Dear ones, you are always here. And we invite you to make it a practice to spend time here. This is truly the purpose of meditation, to slow everything down so that you can be here now. The more time you can spend here, the more your life will become a reflection of your heart. Every minute you can spend here without being pulled into the mind and the ego, its reactions and deeds, the more life will respond to you in ways that you wish it to. So any moment in your day, aside from the time that you put down to do this as a meditation, any moment in the day when you notice yourself becoming agitated or suffering in any way, you can take one single breath in through your nose and out through your mouth to bring yourself here now. Begin to make that a practice. Notice when you're upset. Notice when you're not at peace. And take a breath. Come back to you. There are no problems here. You are an eternal, magnificent, and beautiful expression of the Creator. Why would you let anything take you from here? Here's your power. Stay here and let you be you. Let you be you, not your identity, your perceptional beliefs, who you think you are, the one that hurts, the one that suffers, the one that thinks it's not good enough, not wealthy enough, not accomplished enough. Not that one. You. And when you play here, you will be amazed to find out who you truly are. Loving, kind, generous, a giver of energy. With no limits. Dear ones, we love you. And here we truly are one. Thank you. God bless you.